Secret to perfectly fluffy pancakes. Science explained. The science behind the perfect fluffy pancake is revealed, breaking down the chemical reactions that create those light and airy breakfast treats. This video explores the key ingredients and techniques for achieving pancake perfection, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for this culinary masterpiece. Introduction: a world of fluffy pancakes. Introduce the topic: the quest for the perfect fluffy pancake. Show a montage of various pancake fails, flat, dense, rubbery. Emphasize the importance of understanding the science behind fluffy pancakes. Ingredient secrets: the building blocks of fluffy. The power of baking powder. Explain how baking powder reacts with liquids and heat to release carbon dioxide bubbles, creating lift and fluffiness. The role of eggs. Highlight the protein in eggs, which sets during cooking and creates a strong structure, preventing the pancake from collapsing. The magic of milk. Discuss how milk adds moisture and contributes to a tender crumb. The mixing method. It's not just about stirring, gently folding in ingredients. Emphasize the importance of not overmixing, as this can develop gluten and make the pancake tough. The resting trick. Explain how letting the batter rest allows the gluten to relax, leading to a lighter and airier texture. Don't overcrowd the pan. Demonstrate how overcrowding the pan prevents the pancakes from properly cooking and getting fluffy. Cooking techniques. Mastering the flip. Heat control. Explain the importance of using medium heat to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. The bubble test. Show how to tell when a pancake is ready to flip by observing the bubbles forming on the surface. Patience is key. Emphasize the importance of letting the pancakes cook undisturbed until they're set and golden brown. The final touch. The secret to that perfect bite. The perfect stack. Show how to stack pancakes to create a fluffy masterpiece. Topping ideas. Discuss various toppings and their roles in enhancing the flavor and texture of the pancake. Final thoughts. Conclude by emphasizing that understanding the science behind fluffy pancakes empowers you to create delicious and satisfying breakfast treats.